Welcome to Everyday Explained. Today we're examining one of the most important safety components on any vehicle, your tires. Tires determine how well your car grips the road, how quickly it can stop, and how stable it remains in rain or snow. In this episode, we'll walk through a practical inspection routine you can perform yourself. You'll learn how to check tread depth, recognize uneven wear and tear patterns, read the tire's manufacturing date, and identify warning signs that indicate replacement is necessary. By the end, you'll have a simple 5-minute check you can perform at home to keep your vehicle predictable and safe. Your tires are the only part of the vehicle that touch the road. 4 patches of rubber, each roughly the size of your hand, support the entire weight of the car. When tread depth decreases or the tire structure weakens, braking distance increases and traction declines. Routine inspection reduces risk and helps you replace tires before performance drops to unsafe levels. A good place to start is tread depth. Most new passenger vehicle tires begin with about 10 to 11/32 of an inch of tread, which is roughly 1/3 of an inch when the tires are relatively new. Over time, this rubber gradually wears away. As tread becomes shallower, the tire loses its ability to grip wet pavement and move water away from the road surface. In many regions, the legal limit for tire tread is 2/32 of an inch, which is only about 1/16 of an inch of remaining tread. At that point, the tire is considered worn out. However, many safety organizations recommend replacing tires earlier, especially for wet weather driving, because traction declines well before the legal limit. For example, rain performance often begins to drop once tread reaches about 4/32 of an inch, which is roughly 1/8 of an inch. If you drive frequently in heavy rain or highway conditions, replacing tires before they reach this level can significantly reduce hydroplaning risk and shorten braking distance. One quick method to estimate tread depth is the coin test. Insert a coin into the tread groove with the head facing downward. If the top of the head remains fully visible, tread depth is approaching the replacement range. This method is simple and quick, though it should be considered a rough indicator rather than a precise measurement. A more reliable method is a tread depth gauge, a small tool that measures the exact depth of the tread grooves. Place the probe inside a groove and press the base of the gauge flat against the tire. The reading will show how much tread remains. Measure several areas across the tire to confirm that wear is consistent. While measuring tread, pay attention to wear and tear patterns. If the center of the tire is worn more than the outer edges, the tire may have been consistently overinflated. Excess air pressure pushes the center of the tread against the road more strongly, causing that section to wear faster than the shoulders. The opposite pattern can also occur. If both outer edges of the tire are worn, while the center still has deeper tread, the tire may have been underinflated for extended periods. Underinflation allows the edges to carry more of the vehicle's weight, gradually removing rubber from those outer sections. Another pattern to watch for is one-sided wear and tear. If the inner edge or outer edge of the tire shows significantly more wear than the rest of the tread, the vehicle may have an alignment issue. When wheels are slightly misaligned, the tire drags sideways as it rolls, slowly grinding down one shoulder of the tread. A pattern known as cupping or scalloping appears as repeating dips around the tread surface. This usually indicates worn suspension components, such as shocks or struts. When suspension cannot keep the tire firmly pressed against the road, the tire repeatedly bounces and impacts the pavement, removing rubber unevenly. Sidewall inspection is equally important. Look closely for cracks along the side of the tire. Rubber gradually deteriorates from sunlight, temperature changes, and environmental exposure. Small surface lines can appear as tires age, but deep cracking may indicate structural weakening that increases the chance of sudden failure. Bulges, or bubbles in the sidewall, should be taken seriously. These often occur after the tire strikes a pothole or curb with force. The outer rubber may remain intact while the internal reinforcing cords become damaged. A visible bulge suggests the tire's internal structure has weakened and replacement is the safest option. Another factor many drivers overlook is tire age. Even if tread appears adequate, the rubber compounds slowly harden over time. Most tire manufacturers recommend replacing tires after about 6 years of service, regardless of tread depth, because aging rubber loses flexibility and grip. You can determine the tire's age by examining the dot code stamped into the sidewall. The final 4 numbers indicate the week and year the tire was manufactured. For example, a code ending in 2319 means the tire was produced during the 23rd week of 2019. Changes in wet traction can also signal worn tires. If your vehicle begins sliding more easily during rain, worn tread may be the cause. Tire grooves are designed to move water away from the contact patch. As those grooves become shallow, water cannot escape quickly enough and hydroplaning becomes more likely. Noise can offer another clue. Tires approaching the end of their service life often produce more road noise. This occurs because worn tread blocks distribute pressure unevenly across the pavement. While noise alone does not confirm replacement is required, it is a useful signal that a closer inspection is worthwhile. Maintaining proper tire pressure helps extend tire life. Underinflated tires flex excessively, generating heat and accelerating tread wear. Overinflated tires concentrate pressure in the center of the tread. Checking pressure once a month with a simple gauge helps maintain even wear and tear and predictable vehicle handling. Tire rotation also plays an important role. Rotating tires approximately every 8 to 10,000 kilometers, or about 5 to 6,000 miles, spreads wear more evenly across all 4 tires. Front tires often wear faster due to steering forces and engine weight, so rotating positions helps balance the workload. Drivers should also pay attention to vibration while driving. Persistent vibration at highway speed can indicate internal tire damage, uneven tread wear, or wheel balance problems. While several mechanical issues can cause vibration, tires are often involved, and a quick inspection can identify whether replacement is necessary. Thank you for spending this time with Everyday Explained. Tire inspection does not require specialized training. Measuring tread depth, checking for uneven wear, and confirming tire age provide a clear picture of tire health. The final point is simple. A brief inspection routine performed regularly helps prevent surprises and keeps your vehicle stable and predictable on the road. A practical approach is to check your tires once each month. Walk around the vehicle, scan for visible damage, and measure tread in several locations. This process takes less than 5 minutes, yet provides valuable information about traction, tire lifespan, and overall vehicle safety. When replacement becomes necessary, consider replacing tires in pairs or as a complete set. Mixing very worn tires with new ones can create uneven traction between axles. If only 2 tires are replaced, installing the new pair on the rear axle often improves stability, particularly during wet braking or sudden steering maneuvers. Once again, thank you for watching Everyday Explained. If this video brought you any value, please consider subscribing, sharing, and commenting down below. Until next time, stay safe out there.